Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is Grown Alchemist Skin Renewal Day Cream. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video on my phone. And I'm going to read you guys claims about this day cream. It claims it improves hydration and revitalize skin appearance with nourishing skin, and it's supposed to brighten the skin, soothe. And the ingredients, it has camellia oil, grapeseed oil, and rose hip oil. This is how the day cream looks like, and yes, it looks like a hair color tube. Before you dye your hair, it looks like toothpaste. Yes, I know, this is how it looks like. It retails for $62 and it's available at Derm Store website, which I will link it down below. This is how it looks like. So the fun part is, let's open it. Okay, so I'm going to open the lid right here, and you can see it has that thing that you stick it in, just like a hair color box does. And you just see it's sealed. You just poke it in, you just put it like this. I am taking some right here if I need more. So right away, as I squeezed it out on my hand, it's very thick. The formula is thick. It's one of those thick moisturizer. Look, it don't move. Look how thick it is. Very stiff. That's how you can know it's a thick moisturizer. My honest opinions about this Grown Alchemist Skin Renewal Day Cream. The first thing I don't like about this day cream is the scent. It has a strong licorice scent to it, and I just don't really like it. Second thing that I do love about this day cream is the hydration. It provides nice hydration to the skin. I just really like it. It's very creamy, and the formula was thick. It's a thick formula moisturizer. So for first impression, this Grown Alchemist Skin Renewal Day Cream is amazing. It's an amazing product. The formula is thick. I could feel the clean ingredients that it has in it, and I love the fact that it hydrates my skin, and my skin feels nice and smooth and soft, which is what I'm looking for. But I just don't really like the licorice scent. It's very strong scented. But remember, it retails for $62 and it's available at Derma Store website, which I will link it down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review off of this day cream. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.